Welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting, and today video titles guys how to enable color inversion mode and how to use color inversion mode in our Infinix phone. In this video I will show you guys, I will tell you guys how can you enable and how can you use it. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting. So we will on our phone setting, then scroll special function setting guys, tap here accessibility setting, then guys again scroll it. Hence you can see color inversion setting, friends tap here. Friends you want to enable, you can enable from here guys. Your color inversion mode will enable. After enable guys, your background will dark, and guys you can see your screen color will change. And guys if you use YouTube, so friends you can see this goes to setting like that. So friends, like that you can enable your color inversion and you can use in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video.